Hi, I'm Andy, CEO and founder of Celerate. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the touchscreen on your full body red light panel, which can be used on a horizontal, laying down position, or a vertical standing position. To begin, plug in the power cable, flip the switch, and your device will power on. On all our red light panels, you can adjust the session time, turn the light type from red, blue, or near infrared, control the brightness, create and save custom programs, synchronize multiple devices, and enable or disable the sound buttons. To change your session length, tap the time displayed on the screen. Use your finger to adjust the timer in 5-second increments, starting at 5 seconds and going up to 30 minutes. If you want the panel to stay on continuously, tap the slider. This will display on the screen. Once you're happy with your selection, tap OK. To select which light is emitted, tap the top left where the light options are displayed. You'll see 3 options: red, near infrared, and blue. By default, these are all selected. If you want to turn one off, tap it so it's no longer highlighted, then tap OK. To turn it back on, repeat the process and select the light you want. To control the brightness, tap dimmer. Red and near infrared can be adjusted using the sliders or the up-down arrows for precise percentage control. Blue light cannot be dimmed, it can only be turned on or off. Once you've set your preferred brightness, tap OK. To change the frequency of the red and near infrared lights, tap pulse. Blue light is not affected by this setting. By default, red light is set to 0 Hz, meaning no flicker. To adjust, tap the 0 Hz, then choose from one of the preset frequencies. Once you've clicked your desired frequency, click OK to select it. You can also enter a custom frequency between 0 and 10,000 Hz. By tapping, please enter your pulse frequency and using the number pad. Once you've clicked your desired frequency, click OK to select it. If you plan to use the same settings regularly, you can save them. First, you need to select all the settings you would like to create a mode for. Tap Add Default Mode to save your settings. Click OK to confirm once you're happy with all your settings. To use this mode later, select Default Mode in the bottom left corner and select your preset mode. You can rename the mode by holding down on it until the keyboard appears, then typing a new name. To delete a mode, swipe left on it until the bin icon appears, then tap it. If you have 2 or more panels and you want to sync them, on one panel tap Synchronous Working. On the other panel, hold Synchronous Working until the next menu appears. Select the other device to synchronize them. Now, both panels will be synchronized, so you can control them from just one panel. Tap the Start Pause button to begin or pause a session. To reset the timer, tap the time and press OK. Changing any settings during a session will also reset the timer. You can also use the remote control to start and stop your session. If you want to disable button sounds, tap any setting, scroll down to the bottom where you will see the volume and turn it off.